Okie dokie dokie, here we go. The Marvel build, as you can see by the side of the box. This one I've been looking forward to because it's silly, and I like silly. This is Dancing Groot. Dancing Groot, set 76297. He's very, very cool. He looks really cool. I'll show you some of the features on the box in a second. And 459 pieces, age 10 plus. Wow, 10 plus. Must be difficult for a youngster. Description. If there's one thing Groot loves more than saving the galaxy, it's dancing. Turn the handle on the plant pot and his branches will bend and boogie like he's at the Woodland Disco. You can decorate here with extra leaves and slip on some cool headphones and sunglasses too. Dancing Groot's having so much fun, you'll want to groove along yourself. Very, very cool. And then on the back it shows you the different tiles you could put on him, and the glasses and the headphones and extra leaves and stuff. So it's from Infinity Saga. Very simple set name, which I kind of like. You got 3 different tiles. One says Guardian Galaxy, the other one is in alien writing, and then I am Groot, which is cool because I like Groot. And it looks like a little hideaway in the bottom of the plot as well, which is cool. So without further ado, let's have a look and see what we've got inside. But okay, it's going to be one of these. There we go. We can do it, we can do it, we can do it. You can do it, you can do it. There we go, cool. Paper bags, yay. I love the paper bags. I don't know why. I think it's because I feel good. Wow, they are packed. Oh my god, they are packed in there well. Right, okay. They were actually kind of stuck. So what we got? We have got stickers. Okay. We got 4 bags. Okay. Just one sticker sheet. Let's put those down there. Let's have a look. Looks like it's one sticker sheet. Yes. Any information? Probably not. No. Okay, straight into the bag 1, which is kind of cool. So there's your sticker sheet. Nice and simple. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stickers. So I like that. And then bag 1. Let's go. See what we have in bag 1. Okay. Again, I always say the same thing. Check these bags because pieces do get caught in the bottom, and you do not want to think, oh my god, I've got a missing piece. That's happened to me a couple of times, so hence I'm mentioning it now. Okay, so wow, interesting. Let's put these parts there. Okay, lovely jubbly. Right, so again, very confusing why they've got a plastic bag with paper bags, but is what it is. Is what it is. I should call this channel Is What It Is. It is what it is. Anyway, like the video if you could, comment after watching, subscribe, you know the drill. I'm trying to get it built up. Also, still not heard anything if people would be interested in seeing the winter village I am gradually building in my spare time. Let me know if you'd be interested in seeing a little series on that, or should I just wait until December, because it is quite big. I've actually got 4 Lego tables set up with trains, buildings. I haven't done it yet. I've just literally built some of the stuff, placed it on the tables until I decide how I'm going to lay it out. I've got a rough layout just to test things, and I have a lot more sets to build to put in there, which I've got already. I've been collecting. Anyway, speed build next. See you in the speed build. Thank you for watching again. Appreciate it. Right, well, that one's done, and I love it. I think it's awesome. I'll give you a little 360 here. I've got the I Am Groot plaque. We'll go through it all shortly. But there he is. He's got his sunglasses resting on his eyebrows. He's got his headphones on. He's got all his vines and flowers growing from him. He's very, very cool. And of course, we have him dancing. You just turn this little trigger, the little winder. So it's cool. I think he's really awesome. And you know, it winds both ways. So the little bits of features I can show you is you take this off and you can put the stuff in. Now here is the other plaques. You've got Guardian, and then you've got it in the alien writing. I'm supposing that's what it's supposed to say. We've got some little flowers and pieces in here as well, which it shows you to store them in here. So it's quite a big storage area, really. I was quite impressed with that. And I like that I Am Groot, so I'm keeping I Am Groot. I'm not putting these on, but they will stay in there. And the plants as well, and a thorn, and then that just goes back on again, which is very, very handy. You can take the headphones off, I hope, without destroying everything. Come on. Okay. I'm not sure how that actually fits on, but you can hang them off the side like that. Okay. And of course you can take his glasses off if you wanted to. You don't have to have so many plants and stuff on him if you don't want them, but I chose to have them because I think that's only right. That's how Groot should be. So yeah, the storage also, you can take it off this side as well. It's not just one side, but it's easier to get to this one here, much easier. So that's cool. He says can't not get into it. Anyway, I've shown you. So yeah, I think Groot is a definite 100% awesome little set. The headphones even look cool. Really liked it. It's very cool. I'm going to take that clip off because that came off instead of, is it that way or that way? It's that way. There we go. So he clips back on again. There we go. Awesome. And the glasses, like I say, the glasses do come off the front, but they do split and all sorts of things, so it's a bit of a nightmare. Just as well I like them the way they are, to be honest. Put that on there. There we go. Take that off. Okay. Right, so when you've got these off like this, if you want him without the glasses, it shows you, basically you take his face off, you take the top part of his hair off, you put the top part of his hair back on here, and then put his face back on again. Okay, because what it does, it basically raises the hair and gives you the spaces to clip these two. So what you do if you want to put the glasses on is you take the hair piece off, okay, like so. Okay, then you put the hair on here, so you can't see it, but okay, here we go. God. Yeah, it's fiddly, but whatever, it's not a problem. There we go. That's not right either. I need to just sort myself out. Hold on. Right, my bad. What you do is you... Okay, so the way it is standard is like that, okay? You take that piece off, you put that on the two studs. It's fiddly doing it this way, sorry. And then you place the hair on there, so it basically raises the hair up, and then you put the whole thing back on again, like that. Why? Okay. It is simple, but I'm just making a big fuss over it right now. Okay, so there you go. There you go. He's on, and he's ready. His head does spin as well, so there you go. Awesomeness. And that's how he's going to stay, because I like it like that. Anyway, I think this is very cool, along with the Minion set that I've done before. I really like it, and if you're into silly things like this, or Groot, or whatever you want, then I definitely suggest going out and getting this set if you can afford to buy it right now, because it's just a load of fun. I mean, you can pose the arms as well, like here, there, so it's like the elbows and the hands can be posed however you want, really. So yeah, it shows different poses, but just do whatever you want to do with it. Okay, so there you go. I am Groot. He is definitely Groot. Right, okay, so thanks for watching the video. Smash the like button, comment, did you get this? Are you going to get this? What do you think of it? Am I being a kid? Probably, don't care. Let me know what you think of this set. I think it's really cool. And the details are awesome. Stickers, by the way, were kind of here in the middle, on the back here, and then you've got one on the top, that's the 3, and then you've got the plaques, which is the other 3, so only 6 stickers, really simple. You can rearrange these plants and stuff however you like, but it does come, those are all the extras pieces plus the plant pieces inside, so you can mess about with it, do whatever you want to do with it, really. It's nice to have spare parts, but anyway, thanks for watching the video. I'm waffling again as per normal, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.